Hello friends, this is Dr. Vijay Kumar. I am welcoming you all in my lecture on the topic History of Genetics Part 2. This lecture is available in both Hindi and English language version. Go to my channel or description of video for getting proper link. As in the last video, I discussed that this topic on history of genetics is very lengthy, so I have divided the whole topic in 6 parts. In the last video, I discussed about famous worker. In the present video, I will discuss work done till 1916 and rest of the work will be discussed in future video. So come to the today's part of the video. In year 250 BC, Aristotle suggested that semen is highly purified blood. In 1677, Leeuwenhoek saw sperm in semen of many animals. In the year 1866, Mendel published evidence for the discreteness and combinatorial rules of inherited traits. He told that traits are carried by discrete units or genes. The results are not appreciated until year 1900, the year in which Mendel was rediscovered. In 1869, DNA, first called as nuclein, is identified by Miescher, and he found DNA in cell nuclei. The significance of DNA is not appreciated for over 70 years, and in year 1889, his student Richard Altman named it nucleic acid. This substance was found only in chromosomes. In year 1873, Selder first gave the account of mitosis. In year 1875, Hartwig discovered fertilization of male gamete and female gamete. In year 1875, Strasburger discovered chromosome. In year 1879, Fleming discovered mitosis. In the year between 1880 to 1890, Fleming, Strasburger and Beneden elucidate chromosome distribution during cell division. In the year 1888, Waldeyer coined the term chromosome. In 1889, Weizmann gave the theory of germplasm, and in the last video I discussed what is the theory of germplasm. For more clarification, for explanation, you can see that video. In the year 1889, Hugo de Vries postulates the inheritance of a specific traits in organism comes in particle, naming such particle pangenes. In year 1900, Landsteiner gave the theory of blood groups in human being. In the year 1900, Mendel's experiments from 1866 are rediscovered and confirmed by 3 separate researchers, naming Correns, Hugo de Vries, Charmak, marking the beginning of modern genetics. In year 1901, Hugo de Vries coined the term mutation. In year 1902, a human disease naming alkaptonuria is first attributed to genetic causes in born error of metabolism by Sir Archibald Garrod. In the year 1902, the chromosome theory of heredity is proposed by Sutton. Boveri recognizes that individual chromosomes are different from one another. However, Boveri is given co-credit by friend Wilson for proposing the chromosome theory of inheritance. In the year 1902, Batson gave concept of zygote. In the same year, 1902, McClung discovered sex chromosome. In the period between 1902 to 1909, the word genetics, character, epistasis, hypostasis, zygote, F1, F2, and allelomorph are coined by William Batson. In the year 1904, Montgomery worked on autosomes, and autosomes are chromosomes other than sex chromosome. In the year 1905, Batson and Punnett reported that few genes are linked and do not show independent assortment. In the year 1905, Stevens and Wilson independently described the behavior of sex chromosome. They told that XX determines female, XY determines male. In the year 1905, Farmer and Murray discovered meiosis. In the year 1907, Winkler contributed on chimera concept, and chimera is an organism that contains cells or tissue with different genotypes. In the year 1908, Hardy and Winberg gave principle of genetic equilibrium of population. In the year 1909, Nielsen Ehle gave theory of quantitative traits and quantitative genetics. In the year 1909, Johansen coined term gene, genotype, phenotype, pure line, etc. In the same year 1909, Janssen studied on chiasma, and chiasma is the point at which genetic recombination has occurred during crossing over. In the year 1910, Thomas Hunt Morgan proposed theory of sex-linked inheritance for the first mutation discovered in the fruit fly white eye. This was followed by the gene theory, including principle of linkage. In the year 1910, Wilson gave concept of heterogametic and homogametic. In the year 1912, Morgan and Cattell gave concept of crossing over. In the year 1912, Navasin worked on ideogram, and ideogram is the diagrammatic presentation of chromosome. In the year 1913, first ever linkage map created by Alfred Stuyvesant working with T.H. Morgan. In the year 1913, Bridge revealed crisscross inheritance, and crisscross inheritance is transmission of gene from mother to son or father to daughter. In the year 1914, Searle coined the term heterosis, and heterosis is a phenomena where heterozygotic genotype is superior over both the homozygotic genotype. In the year 1914, Morgan revealed multiple allelism. In the 1915, Breeze revealed super male and super female. Super male are those individuals having so many Y chromosome, and super female are those individuals having so many X chromosomes. In year 1915, Morgan gave concept of gene locus. In the year 1916, Muller gave concept of interference, and interference is the phenomena where one crossover event inhibits the chances of another crossover event. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.